So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add font combinations here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to the top left hand side of your screen and press on the text icon just like this. Now once you're on the text page right here, you have brand kit, you have default text styles, dynamic text. What you want to do is scroll down to font combinations right here and press on see all. So what this actually does is it combines a bunch of different fonts on your screen. So if you want to create maybe a logo or create a title page with different sort of fonts, this is probably the easiest way to do it in regards to like a templated format. So for example, if you wanted to go register now right here, you have the register font and you have the now font right in front of you guys. You can go ahead and delete that if you want. We can scroll down to where it says green lit, just like this. That's an example, fresh content, whatever the case may be. You have two different font styles that are grouped together, making it super easy for you guys to, I guess, edit here. So if I wanted to delete this right here, and I'll delete this. There you go. If you wanted to change the fresh right here, you can say font just like this. And if you want to get, the font right here, that is different, just like that. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add font combinations here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.